Want to create a winning digital marketing strategy but don't know where to start? Let's dive right into it. Digital marketing strategy is a plan of action designed to achieve your business goals via the online world. It's the roadmap that guides your marketing efforts, keeping you focused on your destination and saving you from costly detours along the way. In today's digital age, having a solid strategy is more important than ever. Why, you ask? Well, consider this. There are over 4 billion internet users worldwide, and this number is only growing. That's 4 billion potential customers just a click away. But without a strategy, reaching them can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. The good news is, creating a strategy isn't as daunting as it seems. It's all about understanding your business, knowing your audience, and choosing the right tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a winning digital marketing strategy. But first, please help me to grow this channel by subscribing. This will help me out a lot and make it so I can help more people to find financial freedom on the internet. Also, give me a thumbs up and a comment below. It all makes a difference. I do appreciate it a lot. Thanks. First things first, you need to understand your business goals. These are the driving force behind every action your business takes, and they're especially crucial when crafting a digital marketing strategy. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, boost sales, or foster customer loyalty, it's vital to have clear and defined goals. Think of your goals as your business's North Star, guiding you in the direction you need to go. They provide a framework for your strategy, helping you make decisions on what marketing channels to use, what kind of content to produce, and how to measure success. Setting these goals isn't just about picking a destination, though. It's about understanding the journey you'll need to take to get there. What steps will you need to take? What obstacles might you face? By considering these factors, you can create a robust and effective digital marketing strategy. Remember, your business goals are the foundation of your digital marketing strategy. Now that you have your business goals, it's time to identify your target audience. One of the most critical steps in creating a winning digital marketing strategy is knowing who you're talking to. Your audience is not just anyone with an internet connection. They're a specific group of people who need what you offer, and understanding their needs and preferences can significantly elevate your strategy. Think of your target audience as the compass guiding your marketing journey. Every decision you make, from the channels you use to the type of content you create, should cater to their interests, habits, and needs. Remember, you're not trying to appeal to everyone. You're trying to appeal to the people who are most likely to engage with your brand, benefit from your product or service, and ultimately, become loyal customers. So take the time to really get to know your audience. Their age, location, hobbies, problems, and aspirations can all provide valuable insights. Knowing your audience is key to creating a strategy that resonates with them. With your audience in mind, you can now choose the right marketing channels. The digital marketing landscape is vast, and it's crucial to select the channels that will best reach your target audience. Let's start with social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are excellent for reaching a wide demographic, from teenagers to professionals. These platforms allow for both organic and paid promotions, and are particularly effective for brand awareness and customer engagement. Next, we have email marketing. If you're aiming for a more direct approach to reach your audience, email marketing is a tool you cannot afford to ignore. It's perfect for delivering personalized messages and offers. Search engine optimization, or SEO, and pay-per-click advertising, known as PPC, are also important channels. They help increase your online visibility and reach potential customers who are actively searching for your product or service. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Your choice of channels should align with your audience and business goals. Choosing the right channels is crucial for reaching your target audience effectively. Content is king in digital marketing. You've probably heard this phrase before, and for good reason. The role of content in digital marketing is paramount. It's the glue that holds your strategy together, it's the voice of your brand, and it's the vehicle that delivers your message to your audience. But what exactly makes content engaging and valuable? Well, engaging content resonates with your audience. It strikes a chord, sparks a conversation, or simply makes people feel seen and heard. It's content that's tailored to your target audience's interests, needs, and desires. Valuable content, on the other hand, provides something of worth to your audience. It could be a solution to a problem, an answer to a question, or a new perspective on a topic. It's content that's useful, insightful, or enlightening. So how do you create such content? You listen, you research, you empathize, you experiment. Remember, great content is what keeps your audience coming back for more. A winning digital marketing strategy is not set in stone. It's a dynamic roadmap that requires frequent monitoring and adjustments. You see, the digital landscape evolves at a fast pace, and so should your strategy. Now, how do you ensure that your strategy is working? That's where analytics tools come into play. These tools help you measure the success of your campaigns by providing insights into various metrics like traffic, engagement, and conversions. They are your eyes and ears in the virtual world, helping you understand what's working and what's not. If a certain approach isn't yielding the desired results, don't hesitate to tweak it or even take a different route altogether. Remember, the goal is not to stick to a plan, but to achieve your business objectives. So keep a close eye on your performance, analyze the data, learn from it, and make necessary adjustments. Always be ready to adapt your strategy based on the results you're seeing. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We began by understanding the importance of a digital marketing strategy. Remember, it's your roadmap to achieving your business goals. Next, we moved on to identifying your target audience. It's vital to know who you're trying to reach to tailor your message effectively. Then we dove into choosing the right marketing channels. Each channel, from social media to email, has its strengths. It's all about finding what works best for your brand. After that, we focused on creating engaging content. Content is king, and it's what grabs your audience's attention and keeps them coming back for more. Lastly, we stressed the importance of monitoring and adjusting your strategy. The digital landscape is ever-changing, so it's crucial to stay adaptable and responsive to trends and feedback. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a winning digital marketing strategy. So go ahead, get started. And please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. And for more helpful information about marketing, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I wish you much success in your journey to make money on the internet. I hope to hear from you soon.